Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're using Mint to keep your budget in check but struggling with cash transactions, you're in the right place. Mint is an awesome app from Intuit that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and monitor your financial health, all from one convenient spot. But here's the thing. Mint is designed for bank-linked accounts, so cash can be a bit tricky. Don't worry, though, I'm going to walk you through how to handle it step by step, so you can stay on top of every dollar. First off, open up your Mint app or website and log in. Once you're in, head to the Transactions tab. This is where the magic happens for cash. Since cash isn't automatically pulled in, you'll need to add transactions manually. Start by clicking on Add Transaction. Enter the amount you spent, like that $20 you pulled out for lunch, and select the date it happened. Next, choose the right category, maybe food and dining, or groceries, to keep your records accurate. Now, to make this even more effective, go to the Budgets section. Here, you can create a specific budget for cash expenses. For example, set aside $100 a month for miscellaneous cash spending. Mint will then track how much of that budget you've used based on your manual entries. One pro tip. Always note the merchant or purpose in the description field. This helps when you're reviewing your spending later and prevents any confusion. If you often deal with cash, consider linking it to a cash account in Mint. Go to Accounts and add a new one labeled Cash on Hand. Every time you withdraw or spend cash, update this account to reflect the balance. This way, Mint can give you a fuller picture of your finances. One common challenge is forgetting to enter transactions right away. To avoid this, make it a habit. Maybe at the end of each day, pull out your receipts and log everything in. Over time, this will help you spot patterns, like if you're overspending on impulse buys, and adjust your habits accordingly. Wrapping this up, using Mint for cash transactions might take a little extra effort, but it's totally worth it for that clear financial overview. Give these steps a try, and you'll be a budgeting pro in no time. If you have questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay financially savvy.